YouTubers, welcome to OX Orthodontix. Come on in. Once you first come into our office, you'll be greeted by our front desk staff, which includes myself, Christy, and Mary, who's also our new patient coordinator. After we check you in, you can of course help yourself to our coffee bar. Here at the coffee bar, we offer a number of different beverages. We have bottles of water, coffee, of course, tea, and hot chocolate. While you're waiting, we do have free Wi-Fi for all of our guests, and of course some magazines to read while you wait. Now I'm going to take you on a tour in the back with our clinical area. We'll also be passing our individual bathrooms. We have both men and ladies for our guests. What sets OX Orthodontix apart from other orthodontists in the area is our private treatment rooms. Each patient gets their very own room with the doctor, with some seating area for the family to watch the appointments. Also in the back, we have a kiosk full of all the supplies you'll need for your orthodontic treatments. For your free consultation here at OX, we also have individual treatment rooms with our treatment coordinators, Nicole and Christine. Come on into OX Orthodontix. We can't wait to make you smile.